Hello everyone. Here I would like to present about difference between pressurized water reactor and boiling water reactor. So, watch the video till the end, okay? Enjoy. The first is pressurized water reactor. Pressurized water reactor is a type of nuclear reactor used to generate electricity and propel nuclear submarines and naval vessels. They make use of the light water, ordinary water, as opposed to the heavy water, as their coolant and neutral moderator. It is one of three types of the light water reactor, with the others being the boil water reactor and the supercritical water cooled reactor. The second is boiling water reactor. A boiling water reactor is a type of like water nuclear reactor used to the generation of electrical power. It is the second most common type of electric generating nuclear reactor after the pressurized water reactor, which is also a type of light water nuclear reactor. What is different both of them? Let's check this video. Okay, make it simple. The first pressurized water reactor produces less energy as time increases, therefore more stable. And boiler water reactor lower pressure than pressure water reactor. And then pressure water reactor has radioactive water never leave to primary lock. And boiler water reactor lower inhalation due to lower fuel temperature. And boiler water reactor has additives don't have to be used to control fission. So that is that I can tell you what the meaning and the differences about of them. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.